Use OFX2QIF to convert OFX files to QIF and import into Quicken. Start OFX2QIF converter and open a transaction file. Review transactions before converting. Check the dates are correct, have correct year, deposits and withdrawals are in correct places. Select the QIF target to match your Quicken version or your accounting software. Set the account name and the account type to create QIF file for the right account. Click the Convert button to create a QIF file. In Quicken, back up your data file before importing. Click File, Import, QIF File, to import, and select a Quicken account to import, or all account for Quicken 2017, 2014, or older. Review transaction after import.